Hey, what's going on? Garrett Barry here. What I want to do inside this video is give you an update of the results that I've been able to generate just leveraging the new multiple income funnel autopilot system. Now, if you don't know much about this system or you've still been doing your research, what I want to share with you is that I've already created other videos getting more information on the compensation plan of the 4 different income streams, as well as a full back office tour. I'm going to include some links in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, where you can actually go watch those other videos. But this video is mainly just to share with you proof of the income so you can see what's possible if you do decide to join this. Now, also, before I dive in, there's going to be a link directly below this video. So at any point of this video, you want to get started, you want to follow the simple steps inside the system, or you want to access thousands of dollars worth of bonuses by actually joining me, then you can get that link under the video. Without further ado, I'm inside the back office of the multiple income funnel. And again, there's 4 different steps, and there's also 4 different main income streams, which is under step 2. So once you get to step 2, you follow these different steps right here, and this teaches you how to set up and create an account in the different income streams and how to hook up your username to the side. Now, once you actually set all this up, all you have to do is go to the links tab, okay, get the link to one of these capture pages, and then get people to click that link, because once they do, they'll click this button, they'll put their name and email in, and then they'll start getting followed up with emails that are built inside of the system until the person buys on autopilot. Okay, so that's all you have to do is get people to the link. Now, just getting people to my affiliate link, what are the results that I'm able to generate? Well, the first income stream is the multiple income funnel. Okay, now you can see right here, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, okay, to date, I've generated $2,820, okay, and most of this money is going to be reoccurring monthly income. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. Just sending people to my link, I almost have close to $3,000 reoccurring income as those people stay active in the system. Okay, you can see these commissions. It ranges from $20 or $180 when someone pays annually for the system. Okay, and these are coming in, I mean, multiple different commissions every single day. Okay, just sending people to the link. Again, I don't get on the phone. I don't bother my friends and family. I just get traffic or clicks to that affiliate link, and you can see the results. Now, the second income stream is Easy One Up. Okay, just using this system, you can see right here that I am actually number 6 on the leaderboard for the last 30 days. Okay, so very, very powerful. Easy One Up is a training platform that teaches you how to generate traffic, leads, and sales online. So you can actually join Easy One Up at the higher levels, access the training, and then apply the training to actually learn how to drive traffic to your multiple income funnel business. TechSpot is the third income stream, okay? And you can see that I've generated $1,100. It's $100 commissions, okay? So $100 commission instantly paid, which is pretty amazing. And I've had 1,100 come in so far. Again, just a little over a week and a half that I've been in the system, just getting people to click the link. So you can see that the system's high converting. Once you go to the link under this video and you join, okay, at the $49 per month or the one-time annual fee for the year, and you start to send visitors to your link, you can see how high converting this actually is. And the last income stream, main income stream, is Traffic Authority. Okay, so Traffic Authority is a platform where you can purchase traffic, and you can see that yesterday, okay, I was able to make $570. And then last month, okay, which again, I've only been using Traffic Authority with this system. And last month, we just had a new month start. So it's just calculating within a little over a week and a half. And you can see $3,395. Okay, so again, this system for every single income stream has been converting incredibly, incredibly well. And a lot of these, the TechSpot and Easy One Up are instant paying commissions. And then Traffic Authority and Multiple Income Funnel, that first income stream, are some of them are reoccurring, and then some of them will pay you after a little bit of time. Okay, so that's really the results. You can see the proof, right? I mean, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to share with you some verifiable, real proof. Some of this money went to my PayPal, some of it went to a Cash App, and then Traffic Authority, and then Multiple Income Funnel will go to an online e-wallet, which you can withdraw that money into a bank account or wherever you want to get the money. Okay, so what I want to share with you, my friend, is if you're watching this video and you've been looking for maybe more information on this multiple income funnel, is it legit? Is it real? You can see the proof is in the pudding, and I want to invite you to join me under this video, the link. And the reason I want you to join me is, number one, when you join me, you're going to get access to step-by-step video training, okay? When you join at the $100 level in TechSpot or in Easy One Up, one of the higher levels, you're going to receive step-by-step video training, done for you swipes that you can go and post on social media to start getting leads and sales. And you're going to be getting that from someone that's, on the leaderboards. I'm actually on the leaderboards of this business, and that's what I want to share with you, the fact that you can actually do this too. I'm not special. I dropped out of college a few years ago. I was working as a waiter. I had never made money online before. I wasn't good at sales. I wasn't very technical, but one thing I'm good at is when I see an opportunity in front of me, I see proof and I see other people winning, I join. Okay, I get started quickly because I know that success loves speed. And if I can join and position myself as high as possible, even if I have to stretch myself, even if I have to charge a credit card, and I can come in as high as possible and just leverage what's already working, what's hot, there's momentum, then I'm going to get great results. The last thing I'll share is other people's results, just so you can see that people are making money. My good friend Frazier, okay, he's generating multiple commissions on autopilot. Let me scroll down. Okay, this person right here, you can see different money made in the different income streams. Okay, got my first Traffic Authority commission. Okay, 150 bucks. Just a few more. Okay, Sam right here. Okay, last week, totals. Okay, so people are just making money. Go down below, get started, and then look out for my bonus training to your email. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. If you have any questions about this system, comment them below if you're watching on YouTube, and I'll see you very soon.